everyone. I just want to say, if you guys are watching this morning, not this morning, all day, the Summer Olympics, if you are, tell me how it goes, because personally I don't watch that. I should, but I don't. Right now, 5 seconds ago, not right now, but 5 seconds ago, I was watching Ghost Adventures. Ghost Adventures. Travel Channel. Stephanie Canary. I watched that show probably 14 years old, and I'm like, you gotta flip the numbers. That's what I'm gonna do. 81. You gotta flip the numbers. 81 to, that's how old I am. I was watching this show, loved it, but my scary show I watched was Ohio Penitentiary. Watched that. Did scare me a lot. I didn't sleep. And that's long time ago. Got older, started to love it. It's on every Fridays. Right now it's repeat. I started to love it, and I got a DVD. What else the shows I watch? Storm Chasers, of course, Sean Casey, Bree Timmer, and Josh Warman, and a Team Twistix. And yes, I am drinking strawberry kiwi. My accents, people. But anyway, I love storm chasing. I love weather, and hey, I gotta say, I love while I'm watching. And right now, I was 71 last year. I was at least watching Top Gear America. Loved it. Of course, Tanner. Of course, Tanner is so cute, I gotta say. And he's not bad at his own age. Drifting and rallycross and all that. He's not bad at his own age. I gotta say, I love watching Top Gear, Storm Chasing, Ghost Adventures, and I watch a little cartoons. I watch SpongeBob, of course, everybody's big superhero SpongeBob. Watch that. And top of that is I watch the Weather Channel. I'm just the person who loves weather. I started loving weather since probably a kid. Since I was a baby. Started loving weather since I was a baby. And since I was a baby, I started interested in weather, tornadoes, hurricanes, thunder, lightning, hailstorms, everything. Anything extreme can do dangerous stuff. And I start reading these kind of weird looking books, then stopped. Then I started changing my own path, watching Ghost Adventures, and still continuing changing my own path right now. Top Gear. Yeah. Now I'm watching the British show of Top Gear, Richard James and Jeremy, and the America is Tanner, Rutledge, and Adam. It's crazy. And I'm still continuing changing my own path. I hope you guys get this and watch this video. It's Olivia's blog, people. Yesterday I was saying about Summer Olympics. It is true, I'm going to make my own little game, and you guys guess what I'm doing for next year. This year, everything just came to the bunch. I don't know why, but it did. And it's crazy. It's crazy in my lifetime. Watch this and see you probably tomorrow, probably tonight. I made another one. Yesterday I wasn't feeling good, and I don't feel good. But right now I'm feeling a lot better. But I was like yesterday, I didn't have any strength to talk to you guys. Right now I'm feeling a little bit better. I gotta see how I feel and make another one. Watch Ghost Adventures on Fridays. It's gonna be appeared at the bottom of the screen. Watch Ghost Adventures on Fridays. Watch Top Gear on August 14th on Tuesday. Storm Chaser. I don't know when that thing starts. Probably in fall. Autumn. Fall, autumn. Fallish. Everything's gonna appear at the bottom. Top Gear is gonna be probably at the bottom of the screen. Storm Chaser, all that.